Very, very good. So happy to see this store. And then we have drugstore brands also. So we have luxury starting from Tom Ford to Valentino to Charlotte Tilbury. All the foundations, the latest launches of all the eyeshadow palettes, lipsticks, and we are not disappointing you. We have all the drugstore products also. So if you are a beauty enthusiast, your makeup vanity has to have a blend of both. It has to be drugstore and luxury. So let me take you through the drugstore products. We have Pieces Canada, we have Forever 52, we have Rennie Cosmetics, and then we have Calabar, and we have accessories. Oh, that's my favorite section. Let me bring you to the accessory section. So these are all the beautiful brushes from London Pride, from Bloom, from Shields, and my favorite Real Technique brushes. And here you have the makeup, the dream of every makeup artist, puffs and sponges of all shapes and sizes. So you get you know, all tiny ones for like precise application, the original beauty blender, the disposable wands, the beauty blenders in all shapes and sizes, from Real Technique, from these delicious ones, the tiny ones. These are really nice. And guys, start using powder with a pump. This will lock in your foundation. So, one more favorite here. And let's do skincare then. Skincare on that side. Hair, skincare. So let's do the luxury skincare. So now Lakshya is sit and then I'll talk. तो लक्ष्मी एक बार वो सारे वो हाइड्रेट स्प्रे ला रोज पोस्ट से वो सब निकाल दो. Okay guys, so you know I'm a skincare junkie, and not all of us can travel every time to get our favorite products. There are certain brands that I absolutely love, but unfortunately they are not available in India. But Maniram Balwantrai has it for you. We have all the best skincare brands available from La Roche-Posay. That is my favorite sunblock. I absolutely love it. We have CeraVe, the best moisturizers and face washes. They have Murad, they have Tasha, and everyone's favorite these days is the Dalba spray, that hydrating spray that they have. Can I get a look on that?
Dalba spray.
Yes. And this is everyone's favorite spray. Just one spray and the makeup looks dewy and fresh. So this is everyone's favorite. I see this is everyone's vanity. And then let's take a look at all these products. The Glow Recipe. Oh wow, they have Drunk Elephant too. So good. Amazing. All the credit goes to Maniram Balwantrai and their amazing sourcing team. So guys, let's take a look. They have all sorts of sunblocks, all the international brands that you see in international pharmacies. They have Clinique, they have Estee Lauder, they have Pixie, and all the body sunblocks as well. So not even one product that you name and they don't have it. And then we have some drugstore or skincare as well. Like we have Rio, we have Lotus, we have Flora, and L'Oreal, everyone's favorite. We have OC Glow as well, OC Glow. Oh wow, now let me take you to the perfume section, everyone's favorite. Best for gifting. Who doesn't want to gift a perfume on birthdays? And obviously you can't keep traveling to get a perfume. So here you have from Gucci to Burberry to Versace to Jimmy Choo, Armani, all the good brands. And oh my god, how did I miss that? Minimalist. Minimalist is also stocked here. All the super hit skincare products that they have. The HA serum, the multi-peptide serums. This is the Gentle Cleanser oat extracts. So here you have everything and the one. Okay. लिप पर दिखा दो, रहना कुछ नहीं चाहिए, कुछ नहीं रहना चाहिए आपको। अब बस मैं आ गई ना स्टोर पे, एक चीज बोल दिया, सब चीजें आपकी एवरीथिंग इज देयर अंडर वन रूफ।
से ना चारों बच्चों कोई भी शेड पसंद करो।
Fenty, Gucci, NARS, Mario. Okay guys, even if you are not a makeup artist but you are a beauty enthusiast, which girl doesn't like lipsticks? Even if you don't wear like a full glam makeup, lipstick is a must have. Everybody wears lipstick. Here they have covered you all the brands from Gucci to NARS, Tom Ford, YSL, Makeup by Mario, Fairy Beauty, NARS, and we have more coming. We have Kylie. And they have all the colors in stock always. Sometimes you don't get them, you know, online they come and they are sold out, but they have covered you. All the colors available every time. And my favorite Fenty glosses that you keep seeing, I apply to all my brides. The favorite color is Fussy. And also the Fenty Glow Heat is the latest color. I think they have more social media team than I have. So many people with like a, what do you call this, gimbal?
Yes.
Yeah, with the gimbal and stuff. Lip oil. Yes. So somebody who doesn't want to wear a lipstick and just wants that school girl, college girl, sorry, not school girl, I shouldn't say. So people who don't want to wear lipstick but want that college girl, youthful, everyday wear makeup, and you want to splurge in a good lipstick, the Dior Lip Glow is a very good. It's like a tint on your lip with a very soft sheen. Looks like lipstick but not there. So you know what I mean. करनिया सारा कुछ करनिया एक मिनट Valentino blush. Okay, so we can take a this now. Valentino. Gorgeous blushes. Amazing. Oh, we have Samir Kazami as well. His best-selling highlighters. Absolutely love it. It's our very own Sephora. All the brands under one roof. So we don't need Sephora, we have our own Indian multi-makeup brand store. That too in Punjab, the best thing. Wow. And you know the best thing is, I'll tell you something, the best thing is the vibe of people who work with you. They're also enthusiastic, you know, like खुश हैं. And जब आप खुशी से काम करते हो ना, obviously that's how it should be. आपको काम में अपनी खुशी होनी चाहिए.
इनको मेरे से भी ज़्यादा है.
You should be excited and so happy he is, you know, to show me products and to display. और कितने aesthetically display किया, not like just ऐसे रख दिया, you know. तो ये छोटी-छोटी चीजें matters and I'm sure आप लोगों ने सिखाया है, but you know they have learned it.
9:30 बजे से आपकी वेट कर रहे हैं.
That's very sweet. Thank you.
9:30 तक आ रहे हैं. 9 बजे से यहाँ पे हैं. 9 बजे हम जल्दी करते हैं.
So sweet. Okay, now I'm gonna do this on my body. Let's do this. So if you want your brides to just not glow from the face but the body as well, this is the Patrick Ta Glow Oil. Just spritz a little bit and you get that dewy glow all over. Smells divine. Okay, you take this. It smells divine flowers. And it smells divine. Works like a body mist too, with glamorous sheen on your body. Now come to the hair. Oh wow, favorite facial. ये कैसे छोड़ सकते हैं? And for all the salon professionals, we have all the facial kits starting from Ozone to Lotus to the Flora, then Iris, then we have Pranaz and everyone's favorite, every salon's favorite O3. So this store is for everyone, for somebody who does makeup on themselves, for somebody who's like a professional makeup artist, and also if you're a salon owner. I'm sure if you are Punjab based, they don't need an instructor and shop your hearts out. Guys, it's 2024 and are you still using, you all get hair colors, but do you use a professional shampoo on your hair? No. If you don't, then this is the time to buy all the professional grade hair care and everything. Stop you use good shampoo on your colored hair and protect it. It's just not for salon people. It's for everyday to be like me. We started from shampoos, conditioners, to professional range, hair color from models. You don't have to travel anywhere else. And then we have again shampoos from drugstore. Amazing. Then we have this root touch of this. This root cover can be used by makeup artists. If you've done someone's hair, आपको लग रहा है कहीं से scanty हो रहे हैं बाल, तो ये सिर्फ root touch up के लिए नहीं है. ये पैचीनेस को हल्का सा बॉल्डनेस है, हेयर थिनिंग है, तो आप उसको भी स्प्रे कर सकते हो. इवन मेन कैन डू इट. अगर आपके यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा गज्जापन आ रहा है, जस्ट स्प्रे इट एंड यू हैव हेयर. डन. ओके, हेयर टूल्स डन. ग्रेट. You said na yesterday we had to do a story. चलिए फर्स्ट पे चलते हैं. ब्रेक तो नहीं लेते हैं. हमारे काम में ब्रेक कहाँ होती है? नहीं आते टाइम. हाँ, आ जाओ, आ जाओ. बस मैं लॉन्जरी पकड़ के नहीं दिखाऊंगी.
नहीं अरे
Nails भी है. This and tying them on. Sakshi, what is the better frame, sitting or standing?
Standing.
So you can sit like this, but the products won't come.
You look like a customer.
Okay.
लग रहा है.
I am fine.
नहीं, but not like this.
Okay,
No,
got it,
you're
got
here for a visit.
So we have all the products for nail technicians also, like the stick-ons, the glue, the glitters, the buffer, the accessories, all good nail paints also, like the gel nail paints also they have. So Glamage shields they have, that is used professionally by all nail artists. If you have a nail salon, you know about these brands, and yeah, it's great that you have it all. Yeah, and a bit of this we can show because hair extensions. And my favorite, if you want to do travel jewelry for your brides, and you brides don't want to wear like fine jewelry, then you have this also covered. So it is like a heaven for all the brides to be. You come and you get almost everything, so you don't have to go to any huge market in this heat. You come to this pretty place where there is no heat, it's all air conditioned and कोई गर्मी में नहीं जाना, आपको बाहर भागना नहीं है, and you get everything from your all classic chudas to bangles, glass bangles, bangles for girls, and much more. Oh wow, they have पूजा का सामान हो. क्या नहीं है शॉप को मुझे बताइए. You should open a cafe also ऊपर. And you have coffee. Yes, you should, because people come for shopping. अब इतनी देर शॉपिंग करेंगे तो उनको ऊपर कॉफी और वो कराइए.
थोड़ा सरप्राइज देने वाले हैं इस
Oh wow. Yes, you should have like a coffee with shopping, you know.
Yes, coffee with shopping.
Coffee with shopping. Vanity also. Nice. This is Kadoli, na? What
Yes,
is
जागो.
Jagdul thing, yeah. एक और floor है.
अभी
Two floors are good. You getting me very complimentary. Hi everyone, by the way. Thank you for coming so early for me.
हम लोग पे एक बहुत बड़ा concept लेके आना चाहते हैं.
Open a cafe bar.
नहीं, makeup education. Makeup education.
हाँ, education you can go for. That is always an add-on. अच्छा. Yeah, on our yes. Space. And this is the best thing that we can do. So anything else you want to record? You do this now? This one. So I can say that it is the new store, right? It is a new store. It's a नया आपने खोला है. Please आप भी आइए. हाँ आ जाइए. So here's to our new beginnings, and we are celebrating the new store, the gorgeous multi-storied makeup, hair care, skin care and salon professional stores by Maniram Balwant Rai. बहुत बहुत congratulations आपको, और आप और भी बहुत सारे stores खोले, and you know, may you guys reach the heights. Please have. I'll put it in this spoon for you. आप भी खाइए रीतू जी, सर आप भी खाइए, मैं भी थोड़ा सा खा लेती हूँ. Thank you.
नैपकिन और है.
खाते नहीं है ना, मेरे को पता है.
खाती हूँ, ऐसा नहीं है.
नैपकिन निकाल के दे दो.
फिगर देख के पता चल गया. तो केक भी नहीं काटते, पता है, काट लिया मैंने.
मैं ना कैंडल नहीं, मैं ना वो कैंडल बुझाती नहीं हूँ, मुझे ऐसे वो होता है कि क्यों बुझाना क्यों है, लाइट थिंग्स ना. इट्स अ वेरी वेस्टर्न थिंग कैंडल.
Thank you so much everyone for joining.
जलाते हैं ना कैंडल.